Today we have Emmanuel a cook breakfast. This is Emmanuel a cook up some seasoning in our pan. Me have no idea why I'm having hot pepper in my pan. Me I go tell daddy so daddy can tell him to stop cook hot pepper. This is Enoch a pick off a banana them off a bunch. Enoch drop on a banana peel them a ground. Me I go tell daddy so him get in a trouble. This is Melchizedek. I do an excellent job. I rake very slowly. Good job, Melchizedek. Me could have do a better job still. Me would have rake the whole yard in 2 minutes. This is a Kofi. I get some asparagus root ready for plant. Kofi I do an excellent job. Kofi do an excellent job at almost anything we him do. Especially when it comes to cooking. Kofi is an excellent chef and him love you when you call him chef. This is Joshua. Joshua showing one beautiful flowers when plant. Joshua I go make the flowers there turn seed and then him I go replant them seed there.